Hi guys, Zoe here, and today I'm going to show you how I made this vest with two pieces that would have ended up in the landfill. First, I went into our trunk of textiles where we kept the leftover fabric and other things we kept from going into the trash bins. Here, I decided to combine this cute woven owl bag with a broken zipper and this torn denim vest. I started this project by tracing the owl with a pencil. I traced about ½ an inch away from the owl so I don't cut it by accident, and also have some room to work with when I'm sewing. Next, I used good scissors to cut along the trace line. Here, I included the branch and a flower that the owl sits on. I'm keeping what's left over in the bag for the future projects because there are still little flowers and other things I can use later. Okay, so next I chose a thread color that matched my owl for this project. I chose dark brown. I also used a large needle because I'm still a beginner with sewing. I sewed small, careful stitches around the outline of my owl and her branch. I finished by cleaning up some frayed parts, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this easy upcycle project. Be sure you subscribe to my channel to get my weekly project. Hit the like button and be sure to share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.